you a Merry Christmas.
Silent night, holy night.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So right now I'm gonna show you guys a DIY. I'm trying to fix up my room. I just moved in a few weeks ago, so I'm still trying to get my room done. So I'm gonna show you guys a few simple DIY ideas for the wall. Yeah, so if you want to see that, keep watching. So for this video, all you're gonna need is some canvas. I got these ones from Poundland, £1 each. So if you're in the US, you probably get them at your craft stores, because you guys have a lot. We don't as much, but yeah, I'm gonna be using black, that's white, black and white paint. All I'm gonna do is first put some black in a container, get my water. If you know you're super messy, make sure to do this outside. Okay, so this is end result. So I'm gonna let this dry and then I'll show you guys what else I do with this. I'm gonna draw a goal outline of my island, and then it's gonna be like this.